Welcome back, Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and we are doing our legs. You are a part of this 5-minute Fit in 5 series for any type of level of fitness. I started doing these workouts every single day because my mom does them. My mom will watch the workouts and it's like we're doing them together. And so I'll make like little references, so enjoy. All right, starting with this one, we did this one yesterday. Like I said, it is great for your quads, it's great for your knees. You're also building up all the muscles in support of your hips and your knees. If you need to hold on to something, you're more than welcome to. But the whole point is you hold straight, tiny break, and then you're straight again. Good. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using a heavy band for this, so feel free to use heavy or light or experiment with whatever band. Now we are still working this leg, and it becomes our standing leg. This is for our balance, but also our glute on our other side. So the older we get, the worse our balance gets. So if you're not using it, you're losing it, and so we're using it, so we're not gonna lose it. I don't wanna get a phone call one of these days that my mom fell in the next couple of months. I'm sure that day will come, but not under my watch, as we're doing these workouts together. You can see on my standing leg, hopefully, you can see all the little finer muscles that are kind of stepping up and picking up the slack. If you want to stand up more straight, you'll feel that more in your glute on your other side. So let's do a couple of these. Tuck your hips in, so you're engaging your core. Let's do 5 more. My quad is burning at this point on my standing leg. Good. All right, shake it out. We are moving on to our other leg. Another great idea that maybe if I wasn't at the gym, I would do so, is to do these exercises without any shoes on, so you can kind of grip the ground with your feet. I have these toe spacers at home that I love, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It puts space in between your toes. It's a company called Toe Spacers, and it helps with the circulation of your feet. You know how the older you get, everything just kind of shrivels up. So spreading it out, it helps with blood flow. You'll know the band is too heavy if you start feeling it too much in your hip flexor and not enough in your quad. So that's a good gauge of like, oh, what size band do I use, or what strength? Make sure it's in your quad, and keeping it, the way you engage your quad is just tiny bend in your knee and straight, controlling the movement in my knee. Good. All right, other side. Bending this standing leg, standing up straight. And you're just tapping that toe there in the back. If it feels too much to tap it, you can kind of just drag it out, especially if you have socks. That's great. Great idea there. I wouldn't put socks on both of your feet maybe while you're doing this one-legged stuff, but you can make it harder by bending more, bending your standing leg more. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, if you start feeling it too much in your lower back, stand up. 3, and tuck those hips in. 4, 5. Usually when you start having a lot of pressure in your lower back, it's because your back is arched and your back is working overtime while your abs are just like straight chilling. So that's when you need to tuck your hips in and engage your core. All right, time for get-ups. I said it in the last video, but this is one of the most important moves you could do of any leg workout. Think of all the days that are left of you getting up out of bed, getting out of a chair, getting off the ground, everything. So let's build your legs. Don't stand all the way up, because that's gonna give your legs a break. I don't want your legs to have a break. I want them to keep working hard. If this is too easy, go to one leg. If you're somewhere in between, put your heel down. Keep your core nice and tight. Don't arch your back. See, it's just the little things. The little things that make the movement so much more exciting. Switch to the other side and we'll be done there. Let's do 5 more. 1. But yes, this concludes a full series of abs, arms, and legs. There's now 6 videos out there. I've done it by day, so you can kind of figure out what day we're on. And that'll be it. All right, hope you enjoyed this little workout, and see you in the next workout.